Let's we talk about SAP HR SCM. Today our topic is time management. We just log in SAP HR, SAP software, look like this, then enter SPRO. SPRO, then press enter. Then you see here, open as the screen, then click on SAP reference IMG. Then come to the point here where my cursor is going on the time management topic. Time and just we earlier video we have defined, we have configured enterprise structure. Okay, and now we are configuring time management, covering here only two topic. First is work schedule. Work schedule under we are configuring here define public holidays, and then second topic is daily work schedule, and third is period work schedule. So today we are discussing about three topics. So just go define public holidays classes, click over it. Here we have to choose here anyone public holidays for government private organization, where this is an Indian payroll, Indian Indian context. So we have to this is we have to maintain public holidays, holiday calendar, factory calendar. So here you can any choose and define. First we choose public holidays. Click edit, double click over it. Here you see change public holiday overview. Just we define, click here left side, then go for change. If you want to define any, so here you see holiday, public holiday define, just like 31 is the first day, then month, January. So here is if you don't know, you have to see here not guaranteed. Click over non guaranteed. You can mention short anybody here IL, liaise dominance. Any you can click over it Hindu. Depend on your dominance area. Public holiday classes or short holidays name. and you can type Diwali. Specify long time. Diwali festival. Can type here. Public holiday uh, entry is entered also. Click after enter public holiday. Some entry you can do here. You can choose option here when you do any entry. Fixed date with a fixed day from date, distance of Esther of Sunday, and you can choose here. Go for back. When choose the back option under system, go for daily work schedule option. Here we have to daily work schedule option. Here we have to define work break schedule. First we click over here, determine break schedule. Determine break schedule. Here you can define for entry. Just you see here for enter. But save mode you have to click over here, copy here, then go for copy right here. Grouping 01 AFTN type, then type 01. Start time 20, then end time type 21. This is work break schedule. Just you can say here the lunch time. This is a break schedule. This is called break schedule rule. Rule not rule. This is a break schedule time, right? You have to type 100 and press enter, then save it, right? Then click over it, okay, and save it. And same entry you have to do for entry for shifting purpose. Just like if we go for if time is 9:30, then go for 12:30 also in the lunch. Okay, there is a full time of half an hour lunch. Then go for a 4 o'clock. So 4 o'clock time is you can say a break schedule. Only a break, only 15 days, 15 minutes. So you have to mention here in break schedule. And another time also for time that is and another is a for break schedule that is counted under any 8 hour 9 hour. Then employee is taking a short nap for uh, uh, employee a tea time, we can say 15 minutes. That is a 15 half hour, and half hour for lunch also. So then this is a calculation. Then again entry, copy here, then enter 01, 01, start, and time 21, 0, then enter, then save it. Okay, same entry. This is day shift. So if you go for a night shift, so you opt for night option according your time schedule. Let's we go for back, then go for reevaluate daily work schedule. Click over it. A period schedule, group of daily work schedule. Here you have to choose where you have entered. Then show data here. But you have type AFTN, that is afternoon shift. This is shown here. Afternoon shift. Okay. For shift. You can choose one here. You can choose a day shift, work schedule, variant. Work break schedule. Here we have choose A15 break schedule. This is day shift. Save it. You have to maintain here financial year, copy screen here, variant name. So you can type here any. We have under here financial year 2018. So already prepared it. Description you can type 2017-18, whatever you like. Find what is your financial year, then enter here, then save it. Okay. So this is a procedure of work schedule. Again, we define rules for variant. This is a define rule for again topic. Define rules for variant. So you have to whatever I told you, copy here, left side, then go for. You can choose for new entry. If you have an entry entered allotment data, so you can use should choose option for copy option. Okay, one you can choose any option, choose copy, and go for copy option. then type here, then type 01. So you can schedule any x, then whole time 7 days x, then day is of 7 days, whatever you do, whatever you like. 5 days option, variant A B C, you can choose just like that, 0 to 9. Okay, double click over it. Then save it, right? If you want to, you can choose here, you can save it like this. Okay, so this is a variant procedure for configure it. We have configure define rule for variant. Now again option is define daily work schedule, third option. So you can day schedule, you can same manner you have seen here, that lot many entry here, so you can copy here day off. You can choose again this option, copy as. So enter 101 and any daily work schedule option you can choose here. This is the option. You have see a day of options. You can here is clean. Then you start time. You should start time any date you can, present day you can mention here, 00119 21 22 23 2018. Then type 31 12 999 4 time nines, right? Time is plan working hours 8 hours, right? So you have to mention here day selection rule, by option here 01. No plan working hours, that is you have to remain blank here. Plan working time, you have to working time is 8 hour. Plan working time, if you see that here is a plan working time, you have to type here and enter here. Okay, this is a daily work schedule configuration. You can save it, press enter. This is already saved. So we have defined daily work schedule. Now third topic is as we know, period work schedule. Period work schedule, we have to define all period, weekly rotation, any shift. If we have 24 hour, 3 shift or 4 shift, 24 hour, 3 shift. So we have to maintain all schedule, weekly schedule, monthly schedule, and holidays, public holidays, shift, breaks, break schedule. So we have to maintain here. This is a time management. So here is a 3 entry. You can see here 3 shift, the 3 of day, 3 week rotating shift, 3 week rotating shift, 3 week rotating shift. Right. First we click here, left side, then copy option, rather than direct to go for enter. You have to maintain here. So here easily type here. You can any without any correction. So 01 you have to type here. Any 3 dash WK you can type here. Then 3 week rotating shift and employee type 01. Then day 1, day 2. If you don't have any holiday on that day, so you have to maintain all full day working. And if you have 5 day working, so you have to maintain their days 5. Then in for remaining rest of 2 days you have holidays. That is why you have to free option here. This is the criteria for entering period work schedule. Okay, this press enter, then save it. Right, another option you have to choose this option. So here same thing is happening. 01 type here, 3WK, 3 week rotating shift. You can have, you can type any topic on period work schedule text. Second shift 002 you can type here. So all days you are working, so AF10 you can type any whatever is the denotation you want to like, type here. And rest 2 days is 2 days is free. So depend on organization. If 7 days, if 5 days, 6 day working, so you have to mention here 7 days working, 6 day working. Then 1 day is rest. This that is a count here. That is a type here free shift. Right. Then enter. Then save it. Then go for again third shift in SAP HCM Time Management module. Time management you have to type again. Third shift is 01. Then 3WK you can type here. 3 week rotating shift and 03 type. Then you can type any denotation. Night shift, day shift. Okay, evening shift depend on your uh, choosing factor or denoting factor. If you have a 5 days working, so you have to mention 5 days. All time working on 2 days holiday. Okay, 2 days holiday, so you have to mention here free. Then press enter, then save it and save. So this is a completing is time management. Thank you for watching this video.